Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, so it's time for general knowledge. Everyone, take out your book and open lesson number 30 and page number 40. Write down today's date and quotation. Today's date is 8th January 2021 and the quotation is God is one. Student, in the previous video, we have already done the exercise based on mental eligibility. Okay, odd one out series. Today is again you use your skills. It's very simple. Okay, so encircle the picture that is the same as the first one in each row. Student, first of all you have to see the first picture carefully. Okay, this is the picture of dog. Here some more dogs are printed here. You have to encircle the dog which one is similar to the first. Okay, so look, first of all we see the patches of the dog. There are 3 patches. Okay, in this there is only 2, so it is not similar to the first picture. Again we see this dog is having 3 patches and the position of the legs are the same. Now come to the next picture. Here are only 2 patches and here is only 1. So this picture is similar to this. Okay, student, when this type of questions coming in your course, so first of all you have to see the character. Okay, like here I see there are the patches. If they are same, then we see the next character. Their tail is bent upward. Okay, so this picture is similar to this. That is why we have to circle with the blue pencil. Come to the next. This is the butterfly. Okay, how many circles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now come, here is no circle, no dot. Okay, here is no, that is not in this picture, there is no, but in this picture this is the similar of this. That is why we have to circle this picture. Third picture of boy. The boy is smiling and there are 2 eyes. Here this boy is having 2 eyes but he's not smiling. This boy is smiling but his eyes is only 1 eye. He is having only 1 eye. And in this picture also the same thing. But this picture is similar to this. So I make the circle around it. Come to the next. Look at the pattern very carefully and complete the following series. This is the question based on series. You read the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 is 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. Okay, so you have to find out the series, which type of series. Now come to the second, 75. Now we cannot read the table, so we see 75, then 65, then 55. It means every time 10 number deducted from the first one. So 75, 65 comes because minus 10, again minus 10. So we have to do minus 10 here. It becomes 45. Okay. 2, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 6, 6 twos are 8. Sorry, 6, 2, 2 6 are 8. Okay. Now 125, then 100. How much number reduced from this? 25. So again you have to 25 subtract from this, then you get 75, then subtract 75 minus 25, then you get 50. Okay, Now come to the next page. In this page you have to again write down the date in quotation and complete the sets. Here is one line. In this picture there is two lines. Now you have to make this, because then one line, then again we add one line, so it becomes triangle, not triangle, right angle. Okay, now we add again one line. In this picture the box is completed. Okay, 1 2 3 and then 4. Come to the second picture. This is the box. In this box there is, in the next series we have to say the box is half colored box, then circle, then again the half colored circle. Okay, got it? Yes. Now this is the triangle. There is the one circle over the triangle. So now here we have to make two circle, because in this picture there is three circles. So there is the triangle alone. In this picture the triangle having one circle. In this picture we have to make a triangle, proper triangle, then make a two circle, and then in the last picture there are three circle. Okay, now come to there is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 hexagon having triangle. Hexagon means the figure which having 6 lines. Okay, this triangle, in triangle there are 3 lines, 1 2 3. Then again in this picture there are 4 lines picture, 1 2 3 4. Okay, it becomes a square. In this picture there are 5 pentagon. It is called pentagon. 5 lines, 1 2 3 4 5. Now you have to see, first there's 3 line, then 4 line, then 5 line, and then again we make a hexagon because it is having 6 line. Now we have to make the picture of 6 line, so it becomes hexagon. This is the big hexagon and this one is the small. Okay, now 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27, 27 threes are 81. Okay, now 2 line, then 3, 2 slanting line and 3 vertical line. Okay, horizontal line, then vertical line. Okay, 2 horizontal line, 3 vertical line, again 1 2 3 4, 4 horizontal line, then here 1 2 3 4, and then 5 verticals line. Okay, 5 vertical line. Okay student, let's see, 2 then 3, 3 then 4, 4 then 5. Okay, now your chapter is completed. Student, this is a mental exercise. You use your brain as fast as you can and learn it and do it carefully. Thank you. Have a nice day.